Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok cannot follow issue. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Phone is connected, Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, open your TikTok app. Now tap on profile and tap on right corner three lines. Now tap on setting and privacy. Now tap on account. Tap on switch to professional account. Make sure that your TikTok account professional and go back and scroll down. Now tap on free up space and tap on clear. Now tap on clear and go back. After doing all step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.